Hey guys, and today we'll be making woolen initials. You will need wool, a cereal box, initials printed onto paper, a pencil, a glue gun, and some scissors. First, the only bit of prep to do is to print off the initials of each child's name in your class. Printed them in Arial bold font and at size 250. Get the children to cut their initial out of the paper and draw around it onto the cereal box. Ensure that the plain side is facing up. It's easier to see where they've drawn around, and also this will ensure that the letter is the right way round when we come to decorating it. So now cut the letter out of the cereal box. Adults, you're going to have to be in charge of the glue gun. Put a bit of hot glue along either the top or the bottom in a starting place on the initial, and then you're going to just press the wool onto that glue, leave it to dry for about a minute. Then the children can start wrapping the wool around the initial. You want to wrap it the whole way around the letter. If they need to stop and start and you need to add some more hot glue to secure the wool into place, then by all means do that. Some letters are harder to do than others. For example, I've done an M, so I've had to stop and start in a few places, whereas something like the letter L you could do continuously. It doesn't matter if the wool is a little bit messy. Mine's a little bit messy in the middle, but you'll see in a minute that we're going to add another layer of wool and you can cover up the messy bits. As long as you cover the cardboard and you can't see that, then you're fine. Once you've finished wrapping the wool, adults, again, you need to add the glue and hold it in place to secure the wool for the children. Snip off any loose bits of wool just to tidy it up a bit. I was just adding a bit more glue to this bit because it was a bit loose. I just wanted to neaten it up a little bit. Then choose another colour wool. I've gone for gold so it goes with the red so it looks a little bit Christmassy. And glue this, again adults, you need to do this with a hot glue gun. Glue this onto the back of the initial. This time we're not going to use the wool to wrap the whole initial. We're just going to wrap it around but to create a zigzag effect. If you have glittery wool, that would look amazing for a festive feeling. Once you get to the end, adults, you need to glue gun it into place again. Trim off any excess wool that you might have. Look at how dyed my hands are from tie-dyeing still the other week. They're so blue. I even wore gloves, as you saw in the video. Once that glue is cooled and dried, you just need to add one last piece of wool. This is to hang it onto the tree. So a piece of wool about 6 inches long should do. So add some glue onto the back of your initial, again with a glue gun, so adults be on hand for this, and then just lie your wool onto there and make a loop. All finished, a really handmade looking ornament for the Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more art lessons on a Monday and other art related videos on a Thursday. See you next week for more Art with Miss Burford.